2, 3, funk it.
We're out here having a little picnic in my truck.
That probably not what's going on later.
Got some pizza and some blankets. My beautiful girlfriend. The most beautiful girl in the world.
What thing?
Looking like the Grudge over there.
Because your text seems like you got like upset or something.
Oh, that tastes good. Beer, pizza, bomb skis. Pizza only? Nope. Melda's favorite.
Of course, I've got to get an extra one, you know?
I know, she gets an extra icing. You like it up here?
It's nice, fresh.
It's beautiful up here. The sunset.
I'm just watching the sunset.
Don't wanna lose you. I would do it for love. I would do it for love for you. I would do it for love. All the risk I would take for you. I would do it for love. I would do it for love for you. I would do it for love. Do it for love for you. I would do it for love for you.
Alright, so since you guys can see me now, the sun is down and Imelda's downing. I just had to scare her real quick.
Hey guys, huh?
Would you give me say?
So, welcome back to another video. We've been gone for a while, but it's not because we haven't. Oh my God, staring at us too.
You gotta get over it.
I know. It's not because we didn't want to vlog or, you know, we just haven't been putting effort, but it's because we've been kind of busy. So, like, working wise, and just sometimes we're just so tired, you know?
I know you guys miss me, not really Melda. You guys miss me the most.
They miss me more.
I'm back and I'm better.
And I also got a hair color change, you know? Can you tell me it's black? No, you know, it's cute. I'm looking cuter than ever.
You know, one day you're not gonna be able to get any cuter and you're just gonna be stuck.
Stuck? No, there's always ways. You could change up everything. I mean, you can change me, you know, but...
I know he didn't just fucking beep at me. What the hell?
Who?
I don't know, but somebody beeped at me.
Was it light green already?
I don't know, but...
Like, on our days off, we do get some days off together, but sometimes it's like, it's the only day off we get together, so it's like, I mean, we should be vlogging, but we don't see each other, so we kind of spend time with each other.
Yeah, like, we kind of want to, like, just enjoy the time we have together.
Like, enjoy the moments. But I think, yeah, we're gonna start, like, any chance we get, we'll be, like, recording a video, you know, if it's just a vlog, we'll do the vlog.
She looks so freaking white with that hair.
I know. My parents, when they first saw me with it, my mom was like, "Estás más alta," and I'm like, "No, it's just the hair." She didn't tell me que está más flaca. Every single time I go and see her, she's like, "Estás más flaca," and I'm like, "Yeah, because Sebastian doesn't feed me." Yeah, I tell them, I'm like, the reason why I'm getting skinnier is because Sebastian's not feeding me anything.
That's not true. We're probably broke because we eat too much.
Yeah. We need to stop eating out. We're always eating out. We had brought it up that he wanted, you know, we should go get some sushi. But then it's like, we're going to waste money eating out again. That's where all the money goes, you know? Guys, we need better... We need good ideas. We need, like, requests. Any requests you'd like of videos, we'll go ahead and do it. We haven't done the 100 layers of tape because
That's what it's called?
Yeah.
I thought it was called the duct tape challenge.
Well, yeah, the duct tape challenge, but it's 100 layers.
I feel like, what the fuck? I swear to God.
You're driving crazy or what?
Why is everybody beeping? Did you put something on my tailgate?
When would I do that?
I don't know. You know those videos where people are like driving and then somebody put something on the back of their car and it said like honk if you're honk if you're horny or something like that. Humberto just needs to fix his hair situation and that's it.
What do you mean?
You always have some fucking like different ass, random ass haircut. You like find the one that fits good already and like stick with it.
Wait, are we going to Walmart or Circle K?
Circle K.
I thought we were going to Walmart to get a book. What's it called?
Sebastian doesn't want to get a bucket.
You want to get a bucket of ice cream? You going to Walmart? Then what was that for?
Dang, yeah, they're so easy to put.
Well, if you don't want, the bucket is less than a freaking ice cream by itself.
Cálmate, doña.
Cálmate,
Clotilde or whatever her name is.
You don't even know her name.
So am I
La bruja del 71 is the point of this video. Are you even recording?
Yeah, it's recording. It's been recording. I introduced your
The daughter's
cousin.
bad. She was like trying to splash. We have an infinite amount of knowledge at our fingertips and we don't use it.
That car in the back doesn't have the headlights on. The headlights. See it?
Wow, I was just like, that's not my truck.
This one?
Wow.
This one?
What happened?
Looks like
You already knew.
damn, that sucks. That was only like two people. What are we eating?
Tacos?
Tacos.
You're making yours into a taco?
Oh yeah. Gorditas made into tacos.
Remember Humberto on the vlog? On the vlog? And flacas made into gorditas.
So you're getting damn.
Alright guys, so that was the end of our video, our vlog, you know, for today. But it was just kind of like it worked. We got a reaction out of him in some honks, you know, but it sucked because, you know, we live in the valley in the desert and like I guess nobody's happy out here. Cause the honk, I mean, I didn't show you guys. I don't think I showed them. Oh, I'll insert a picture in there. It pretty much said honk if you're happy, and we only got like 5 honks. I was like, ain't nobody happy in this valley then, cause I ain't getting. But yeah, okay, that was the video for today. Yeah, you know, like we said earlier, we're sorry that we haven't been like making content.
Yep. Sounds good.
Yep. Whatever.
Guys, so that's the video. That's Imelda. And I'm Sebastian. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
You know, join our, you know, familia.
Our Sandy fam.
I mean, the kids aren't here yet, but you know, we're still family.
You know, stay on Team Sebastian. Just cause she crammed me back, mine was still better.
I'm trying to get him back, so I will be back with something better. Just for now, all I was able to do was the freaking honky prank. But that's not my fault. You gotta blame everybody out here in the valley that, you know, that they're not happy out here. You know, that's not my problem.
Yeah, so nobody's happy out here, I guess, apparently. But it's okay, because now it's my turn, and it's coming. I hope you're ready, because I'm gonna get you good.
Because he ain't tried getting
the
me back.
king's
after
gonna
that.
do another video.
Like, you don't wait for me to get you back. Why don't you just get me back again? You're weak. You're weak.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye. To be a part of my gang, because Sebastian sucks. And everybody's way better. Why are you laughing? Because you're wag, boy. This is just the beginning, guys. It's just the beginning. But yeah, leave a comment and, you know, what do you guys want to see? Not him for sure. All right, bye guys.